tigers, cheetahs, jaguars, pumas, and leopards are kinds of big cats found all over the world. Although they have the same basic body structure as pet cats, they are very different in other ways. They vary in size considerably, from the big tiger to the small wild cat. But the big cats are usually much bigger and stronger than pet cats, and they roar and grunt rather than meow. Big cats are the most carnivorous of all meat eaters. They are excellent hunters with night vision, sharp claws that can be hidden, and sharp canine teeth. Canine teeth is the strong side teeth used for tearing flesh. While hunting, they silently stalk their victims and then pounce upon them in a surprise attack. So they are called ambush predators. Today I am going to talk about some big cats. Let us see the video. Tiger. Tigers are the largest of the big cats with huge heads, and they grow up to 2.5 meter, that is 8 feet long. The long tail adds almost another 1 meter. Tigers prey on large animals such as deer, buffalo, antelopes, and wild pigs, hunting mainly at night. When they hunt, their stripes merge with the grass and the forest around them, making them almost invisible. Their soft paws make them silent, and they move only when the prey is not looking. They even kill humans sometimes, but only if there is a shortage of prey, in self-defense, if they are weak, old, or if it's a tigress with cubs. 2 to 4 tiger cubs are born at a time and live with their mother for 3 years as they learn to survive. Hunters killing tigers for their skins and farmers clearing the forest for land have decimated tiger numbers, and they are now restricted to special reserves in Asia, mainly in India and Sumatra. Decimated means to kill a large number of animals, plants, or people in a particular area. Lion, the king of the beasts. Lions are majestic big cats once found all over southern Asia, but now found mainly on the grasslands of Africa. They are the only truly social big cats living together in groups called prides. The adult male lion is instantly recognizable by the big mane that covers its head. A male lion can be up to 3 meters, that is 10 feet long, from his nose to the tip of his tail. Males also have a mane which gets darker as they get older. Females have no mane and are also a bit smaller. Lions on the hunt. It is usually the female that hunts alone or in pairs, although the male are the first to eat once the prey has been caught. The hunting lioness stealthily approach a victim, then make a short dash and pounce on it quickly. If they don't succeed in their short dash, they give up and wait for another opportunity. Only 1 in 4 hunts leads to a kill. What lions eat? Lions feed on wild beasts, zebras, and antelopes, occasionally giraffes. They have big side teeth and short, strong jaws for eating flesh. So strong is their bite that they can kill a zebra by lodging their canines in its neck. A quiet life. A lion spends 18 hours a day sleeping, since the meat it eats is so nutritious. It eats 1 solid meal, then goes without food for the next few days. Margay cat. Among the many smaller big cats is the margay, which lives in the forests of South and Central America. It can grow up to 60 cm and weigh 3.6 kilograms. Margay eat a wide variety of food including birds, eggs, small mammals, and reptiles. Margay cats give birth once a year to a single kitten or rarely have 2 kittens. Unlike other wildcat species, margay cats have only 1 pair of mammary glands. The margay cat is solitary, has good reflexes, keen eyesight, and is an excellent climber. However, it has been hunted for its coat and as a result is now quite rare. Solitary means being, living, or going alone or without companions. Cheetah. From 0 to 96 kilometers an hour in only 3 seconds. No, this isn't a fast car, but the fastest land animal, the cheetah. Cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. Its body is narrow and lightweight with spots. It also has slender limbs. Cheetah is capable of running 80 to 130 km per hour. Cheetah measures up to 1.5 meter and weighs 75 kg. Cheetahs give birth to 3 to 5 cubs. When they are born, the cubs are blind and are covered with a thick coat of fur called a mantle to protect them from predators. While chasing their prey, cheetahs usually run 80 to 100 km per hour. Even at those speeds, it can make rapid and sudden turns to get them. Cheetahs feed on small antelopes, young ones of larger animals, birds, and also rabbits. Mountain lion. The mountain lion, also known as the cougar or puma, is a large cat species native to the Americas. Mountain lions measure up to 2.4 meter and weighs 100 kg. Pumas give birth to 1 to 6 cubs. After birth, baby pumas have visible rings on their tails and spots on their fur. Their rings and spots will totally be out of sight when they reach the age of 1 year. Pumas are the highest jumping animals and can jump as high as 5 meters from the ground. Pumas especially feed on deer and a large number of rabbits, porcupines, beavers, possums, raccoons, and skunks. Jaguar. With its spotted coat, the jaguar is one of the most beautiful of the big cats. It lives in the South American forests, usually near water, and hunts capybaras and fish. Jaguars have spots with rings around them. They weigh up to 96 kg and measures up to 2 meter. Jaguars give birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs. Clouded leopard. The clouded leopard is a wild cat inhabiting dense forests from the foothills of the Himalayas through mainland Southeast Asia into southern China. It has large dusky grey blotches, irregular spots and stripes forming a clouded pattern on its body. Clouded leopard have sharp claws and large paws which allow them to hang upside down on branches large and strong enough to support them. They measure up to 84 cm and weigh up to 23 kg. Clouded leopards hunt monkeys, small deer, wild pigs and birds. Clouded leopards give birth to a litter of 1 to 5 cubs. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Give your likes and comments. Thank you. Bye bye.